It is the 18th of the month. You open your banking app. $47 are left to cover the 12 days until payday. You try to reverse engineer where the month went. You wrote a detailed budget for rent, groceries, and gas. You felt good about it. That budget was wrong before you spent a single dollar against it. Fix the problem by replacing willpower with a 5-step structural design. Ultimately, success depends on having accurate data. Most people build budgets from memory. They picture what they spent last month and write down optimistic estimates. Your memory is optimistic, but your bank statement is honest. On one side, hoped-for categories. On the other, a chaotic reality. The budget breaks on quiet leaks, forgotten subscriptions, a random $60 Tuesday, and restaurant tabs that cost like groceries. Step 1. Spend 2 weeks tracking only. Map every dollar to a category exactly as it appears on your statement. Do not change how you spend yet. Restricting yourself during this phase pollutes the baseline data. When you account for those forgotten subscriptions and convenience trips, the total is often significant. Most people discover between $80 and $150 in hidden monthly spending. You cannot fix a leak until you look at its true size. Step 2. Build your categories from the numbers you actually found. If you spent $300 on food, start the budget at $300. A budget you can actually hit compounds over time. Step 3. Pay yourself first. Move money to savings the moment your paycheck lands. Saving from what is left at the end of the month rarely works, because nothing is ever left. Spending naturally expands to fill whatever balance is available in your account. When savings comes first, you adapt to what remains instead. This sequence forces you to build a balance before you have the chance to spend it. Realistic targets and automated sequences create a system that works without constant intervention. Step 4. Replace 30-category spreadsheets with 3 buckets. Simple systems get followed. Use 50% for needs like housing and transport, 30% for optional wants, and 20% for savings and debt. A complex project gets abandoned, but 3 jars take 30 seconds to check. Step 5. Spend 5 minutes once a week checking your jars. If one is running over, move funds from another to rebalance. That is the entire maintenance cost. This weekly check is the difference between a system that keeps running and one that quietly dies. On the 18th of the next month, you can open your banking app without the stress of a $47 balance. You have a structure based on real numbers and a savings plan that runs automatically. The design of the system determines the financial outcome.
Follow Cash Control 360 for clear, practical money strategies every week. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.